Hi guys, welcome back to Expert DNA by Design Maven. I'm Adrian Heng. Today I will be sharing 5 important pre-reno tips before you embark on your renovation journey. Here are top 5 tips to kickstart your planning. Tip number 1. Top on the list is to plan your reno timeline, reno phase and move-in date. I'm sure we are all terrified of delays on renovation. As such, planning ahead and giving ample timeline to check on defects and buffer time for shipment delays may allow for a smoother moving in. Work with your designer to plan the tentative renovation start date so they can work backwards to finalize your design, work on the quotation, and confirm your ID before your renovation starts. Tip number 2. Find the suitable design style for your home. Do some research online and browse through the design themes that might be suitable for your lifestyle. Pin pictures on various design styles which you like and show your designer so they can better understand and distill what may be suitable for you. Whether it's a sofa set which you like, a particular wall color, or a pendant light which you fancy, save and click all your selections and show them to your ID. They will be able to filter your likings and fit them into your home design. For someone without any design ideas in mind, a better way to find what you like is to browse through your designer's portfolio. You can gather some ideas from their past works and have the designer come up something that's suitable for you. Tip number 3. Feng Shui requirements and space utilization. For those of you who may wish to consult a geomancer for your home, it's best to consult the geomancer before talking to your designer on your design requirements. A few areas the geomancer will usually determine are the direction of the bed facing, location of the kitchen sink and stove, and color schemes. The ID will then have to work around these special requirements and in some instances may jeopardize your desired design. Do a tentative planning on the usage of each individual rooms and let your ID know if you are open to demolishing or opening up any spaces. Your ID will then be able to plan the flow of the spaces when you give them clearer instructions. Tip number 4. Find the right design company that will best materialize your dream home. Before signing your contract to have your home renovated, be sure to know that you are giving the project to a reliable design company. Check your designer's credential and find out how long they have been in the industry. A more experienced designer will be able to plan and minimize hiccups during the reno process. Another good indicator will be to check on the designer's website or social media profile. It will also be good to find out what accolades the designer has won. It is also important to meet with the designer personally, ask them questions, gauge on the communication chemistry, and see their response time. An important reminder: never believe anything that is too cheap to be true. If one quote is significantly lower than the rest, think twice before diving into these special deals. Tip number 5. Budget your renovation. Do set aside a reasonable budget depending on the amount of work that needs to be done. House renovation items can be broken into 5 broad categories. First, you have the general reno costs, including demolition, flooring, electrical, plumbing, carpentry, aircon, and so on. Second will be the lighting, which includes your recessed ceiling lighting, decorative pendants, table and floor lamps. Third, the soft goods, also known as soft furnishings, such as sofa, armchair, curtains, dining table, chairs, beddings, and so on. Fourth on the list will be the white or black goods, also known as appliances, such as your TV, fridge, washing machine, hot hood oven, microwave, and so on. Lastly will be the icing on the cake. No home is complete without accessories, such as artwork, rugs, sculpture, photo frames, throw cushion, etc. If you're working on a limited budget, go for categories 1 to 3 first. Then consider which are the more crucial items to have in category 4. Accessories can always be added even after you move in. Designer tip for the day. Do take pictures and videos of your new home and show the designer that you are meeting. This enables them to better understand the space that they will be working on and advise you better, as floor plans don't reveal details such as concrete bulkhead or floor finishing. Comment below and share with us one point that is important when selecting your designer. We hope the above 5 important reno tips will be useful to you when you kickstart your reno planning and help make it smoother. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel, click on the notification button for more fabulous home designs and expert tips. This is Adrian Heng signing off from Design Maven. See you guys in the next episode.